What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. If you don't know who I am, I do like a lot of fun like makeup, transformations, cosplays, characters, like stuff like that. So it is finally October. This is what I thought, guys. It's October. I am so excited. This is my little friend here now, so we should definitely give him a name at some point. So first up, today I wanted to do something that you guys could like recreate and do as a costume. So it is going to be a Joker, and you probably already saw it in the beginning, but it is a Joker skull. So if you want to see how I did that, just keep watching and let's just jump into it. All right, I don't know what that face was, honestly. Alright, so you know, we gotta glue down the brows, so just push those hairs up, get them super glued down. You need like a blank canvas for this. Skulls don't have just random brows everywhere, so yeah. Alright, so first thing I do, I just take some white paint. I start mapping out the teeth because I feel like that really helps me gauge where everything else is gonna go on the face. So just take your time, try to do it in whatever style you want to do it in. If you see my mouth randomly popping open, I was FaceTiming with my friend at the time, so I'm sorry about that. So I'm just drawing in like the jawbone at this point. Start on the eye sockets. You can honestly make this whatever style. That's what's good about a skull. You just kind of make it your own thing. So now we're taking a cream paint and we're just gonna take the whole thing white. The Joker does have like, you know, white foundation. Does he wear foundation? What is he wearing? I don't know, but just make it white. So just fill in the whole face white. Now we're taking the Wet n Wild palette. I really like these cream paints. They are really good, and I'm not just saying that, it's not sponsored. So I'm trying to do the Joker mouth, but it looked kind of like a mustache to me for a second, so I kind of blended it over the teeth a little bit, and I feel like that does help it, and it starts looking more like a Joker in a second, so make sure you powder that shit good, okay? Seriously, powder it a lot. Okay, now I'm just taking black paint. This isn't a cream paint, it's much easier. It's a water-based paint, so I'm just filling in the black around my eyes. Gotta fill in that nose as well. This really helps start making the illusion look a little better. I am now taking some green eyeshadow and just kind of giving him like, I felt like it didn't look like the Joker, it needed something green, so just doing that a little bit. And then I'm taking a black shadow and I'm really just trying to mess this up because he is not a clean cut guy, he's the Joker. So just really like blending that all around, and this is a really good look because you can make it as messy as you want and it doesn't matter, he's the Joker. I'm just like smearing it down the face because I thought that looked really cool. Now I'm kind of trying to add some dimension to everything. Just start shading. I feel like you really just shade as little or as much as you want. And now I really wanted to jazz it up, so I am drawing the little ha-ha-has that he has all around. And I'm using red because I wanted it to kind of look like it was like carved into his skull face, I guess. So yeah. And now I'm just doing white down the chest so that I can do the ha-ha-ha shit on there too. Alright, powder the chest and then do the same thing on the chest, but I did them like super random because I feel like they're just kind of all over, and you can look up like Joker pictures and stuff online, that's what I did. So just write those all around, literally just do it as messy as you want. Now we're taking another bed eye. I love these shadows, so I just kind of wanted to shade these with this red shadow just so that they look, I don't know, messier. I feel like this look really just needed to be messy. This did take a while doing that. Like, it's fast in this, but it was not fast going back and forth to the shadow every 3 seconds. Not fast at all. But honestly, I feel like it was worth it. So you take the time, those extra little things, it'll be worth it. I'm just taking black shadow again, just kind of shading it. So now we're gonna outline the teeth. This is when it really starts looking like a skull. This is like my favorite part because I'm almost done too, so it's exciting. And this is just a black face paint, by the way, but you could honestly just use like any eyeliner that you have and pretty much you could do this whole look with just a white paint, a red lipstick, and a black eyeliner, honestly. Now fill in those gaps. Gotta start getting that illusion. This part's really exciting. I'm like geeking out on my own stuff. Okay, so I decided I wanted to be a little more depth on the haha, so I just added some black to that as well. And now I'm just filling in the sides. You won't really be able to see like the big black chunk on the side once there's the wig, so it's okay. Okay, so speaking of messy, I was like, this is still too clean, so I literally just splattering red all over it and smearing it around. So just take whatever white face paint you have and just start highlighting everything. Just makes it really pop. Okay, I'm so weird sometimes. Okay, so now I'm ruining this wig forever, by the way, so I'm really excited. Anyways, make sure you hit that like button. Please subscribe. There's gonna be videos all month long. If you want to see all the photos of every look I do, 31 looks, 31 days, follow me on Instagram. If you want to see really weird makeup removal videos and other weird stuff, then follow me on TikTok. Definitely hit that notification bell. I'm gonna be sprinkling in giveaways here and there in these videos, so you're not gonna want to miss those. And I'll actually see you guys tomorrow with another video. So, bye, spookies.